What's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, and welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is other people around me. So before we start our lesson proper, so syempre meron tayong trivia for today. So, trivia for today. Some cats are allergic to people. So, for your information or FYI, for all you people are allergic to cats. They might be allergic to you too. It's pretty uncommon due to the fact that we bath ourselves more often than other species and doesn't shed as much or dead skin, but yes, it does happen. So, there would be an instances that cat would be irritated or would be allergic to us. So, that's some common fact or some common trivias that we can encounter. So, let's go to our lesson proper. It would be very short then, like, what are twins in me and my family? So, what do people look different? So, the traits that a person include outer characteristics such as eye color and shape, body, size and shape, hair color and texture, and skin color. The human race has a great amount of variety in skin color and other physical characteristics. So we are really born different. We have different race, we have different families, genders, beliefs, religion, physical attributes, and we are diverse when it comes to their beauty, in color, and their character, and in their culture. So it makes people different, and despite of differences, we could be more intact with each other by peace and make a world better. So God made people different to better and able to survive in different environments. We have different tribes, we are different races, nationalities. It depends on our environments, and God made us because of this. God made us into different characteristics and attributes in order to survive in our community, in our setting. Different people group have different features from one another. We have different features. We have different pair of eyes, color of eyes, hair, mouth, lips, nose, body type. Yeah, we are all different. These are those with white or light skins, brown, black, and yellow. We have white people, we have morena, light skin, morena, black people, mga ganyan. So, we have different skin colors. So, yeah. Melanin is a coloring present in all skins in different amounts. So, always remember that it's all melanin. If we produce a little melanin, our skin would be whiter. So, yeah, nagiging white siya. If our skin produce a great deal of melanin, we would be very dark. So, pag marami tayong melanin, our skin have a tendency to be darker. If we produce lesser melanin, our skin would be whiter. So, ayan. It's because of melanin. So, melanin protect the skin against damage by ultraviolet light from the sun. So, melanin protect us from the ultraviolet from the sun. If you have too little melanin, you will easily suffer sunburn during a very hot summer. So, yung medyo maliliit or konti lang yung melanin, sila yung mas malakas yung tendency na makapag-suffer ng sunburns during summertime, pag nasa beach, ganyan. Or worse, one could even suffer from skin cancer. So, that's been very malala. So, skin cancer. So, to prevent that, so, syempre, magpayong, mag-hat, and of course, sunblock. So, next. So, you and your classmates come from different families. So, this is activity. So, you don't look the same as your best friends. They have similar characteristics as them. So, hindi kayo magkakamukha ng mga friends nyo. Pero, meron ba kayong characteristics na pareho? Like, pareho ba kayo ng buhok? Pareho bang straight yung buhok nyo? Pareho ba yung shoulder length? Pareho bang brown yung eyes nyo? Or parehong matangos yung ilong nyo? Or pareho ng shape yung lips nyo? So, write your observation on your paper. Observe at least 5 different persons. So, if you have kakilala or classmates, so you can have this activity so that you can know, so, pareho pala tayo ng ganito, mag-ano tayo, parang unique tayo sa ganito. So, yan ang ating activity for this lesson. So, thank you for listening. Thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions on our video. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.